And I gotta say what? Oh!
Let's go. Half time. Half a perky, half a Zane, nigga. Half time. Half a paintball up, ate my nigga. Half time. Tryna rock that stick, turn it body to half time. Boom! Yeah. Hit the streets and tear that bitch up like on Willie B. Yeah. No Tennessee, but that chain on my neck is a tick.
Hey guys, it's Zach here, and I just attempted this video. Kinda busted light bulb a little bit, but it's alright. So I thought it was recording, and it wasn't ever recording, so that sucks. Didn't get that on camera, but I'll show you at the end of this video, because video camera doesn't cheat me. But got a bucket of cars. Well, yeah, a bucket of cars, half full almost, and we're just gonna be throwing them into the ceiling fan. So we'll see how that works out. Hopefully we don't blow the other bulb. So let's go. I have token protection. Works pretty good. If we start getting misses a lot, we're just gonna throw a couple in at a time. Okay, so miss. Okay. Seeing some misses, so 4? Nah. Let's do 6. That worked. Oh man, good times. Getting too close here. Let's throw it at the old light bulb, shall we? Works better. Oh yeah, there we go. Not working. Well, you know what? We'll make this work, because you know what, guys? I have a really splendid idea. Shoes and a Mustang remote control car body. This ought to work pretty well. As I promised, Mustang car body, some shoes. Take safety precautions. Slow down a little bit, so we're going to have to wait for it to fast forward. And there it goes. So throw up and in. So there we go. Okay. Hang on a second. Alright, now that it's fast, let's do this. Aye! I got something else we want to try, and it's pretty obvious. So let's do it. I have with me, behold. You know what? Just throw this thing. Try 2. Epic failure. Attempt 3. We're gonna do this. Steady. Steady. Oh. Attempt 5. This should work. Steady. Steady. Woo! Now stapler. And I gotta say what? Oh! So, I'm done with this video now, and let me show you what it did to the stapler. The bottom has totally came off, but it didn't break, luckily. It just snapped off the snapper it had on, so it's called a Paper Pro if you don't know what these are.